You're tracking sales with Square. But analyzing data in Google Sheets? Neither connects like you need it to, but your work depends on both. At MESA, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, add new rows to your Google Sheets whenever Square processes a payment. Or track daily sales totals by updating Google Sheets with Square transaction summaries. Or even update Square inventory levels based on data changes in your Google Sheets. MESA has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between Square and Google Sheets, make it happen with MESA. Get started today for free.